Hey there, it's Perry from PapercraftingThreads. Join me as I unbox my premier pre-order from the January 2024 mini catalog and celebration offerings. It'll be here before we know it. I got my pre-order on a Sunday morning. What a great day. Okay, first up, this watercolor melon stamp set is one of the options to choose as a free celebration item with every $50 purchased. And this is a distinctive stamp set. Can hardly wait to try this one out. And this was one of my top picks from the new catalog coming in January. These little adhesive cork rounds. Stinking adorable. Notes of Nature's dies. Let's see, hot air balloon dies. Perennial postage. Okay, let me take all of this out of the box. That might make things a little easier to show you everything. Planted Paradise stamp set. This is another new option from the regular catalog coming in January. I had to get this one, Doggone Friendly. It is so cute. Do you see your dog? I see my golden. Okay, these go together, these go together. This is a ribbon that looks like leather, so it's a faux leather cording. And it's gold, glittery gold on both sides, and it's soft. It's not hard, so oh, that is going to be beautiful. Ties very nicely. Okay, and then we have the hot air balloon stamp set and matching dies. I love these heart shapes for the balloons, as well as the balloons themselves. Can hardly wait to play with this one. Lots of fun. And then these go together. So there's the Notes of Nature stamp set. Great for doing a little bit of grunge work or collage. Here are the matching dies. Look at this one. And this cool leaf pattern and the other leaves. And this cuts out that. This one, I believe, cuts out that. And this must go together. Very cool. And this die set also had a stamp set that went with it, but I decided I didn't want the stamp set, even though I could have got that at a discount, the 10% off with doing a bundle, but I went with just the dies, which I do sometimes. But look at that. There's a cancellation. Tag toppers, as well as the postage, perennial postage dies. That's going to be a fun one to use too. Okay, and this is a celebration paper. Trusty toolbox. And again, this one is an option that you can choose with any $50 purchase when celebration starts. So we have tools, little screwdrivers on red. Oh, and look at the graph paper on the back. That one is mine. Another abstract. These are hammers on the yellow with little different type of screws there. This looks like toolbox front and more. And love the ruler markings and polka dots. Oh, and look at these tools as well. And this back side. Great. Again, these are free with any $50 purchase for that set. Softly stippled. This is another option for a $50 purchase to choose for free. You get botanicals here. And abstract paint. And that one looks like canvas. Ooh, love this color. This is wild wheat, I believe. And some more canvas looking patterns. And paint patterns. So some great florals that are kind of neutral looking. Lots of texture on the back side, or the B side if you want to call it. Ooh, love that wild wheat. I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but it's definitely mine. And the last one goes along with this stamp set that we looked at earlier in the die. Nature's Sweetness. So we have gold foil botanicals. Ooh, and there's little writing, little words in there as well. Super cute. And the back side. More gold foil on one side. Botanicals on the other. Oh, love this one. Love word DSP. And the splatters of gold. This paper is fabulous. Gold. Lots of little writing. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I'm gonna be hard pressed to pick which one I like best. Oh, this one's good for chopping up, that you can have 6 cards easily. And gold foil writing. Love this. Again, this will all start in January. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye!